My secret recipe is when I get sick, and my mom's been doing this for eons. I feel like this recipe is in our family for generations, is taking a pot of water and we put black pepper in it, a lot of black pepper, and then a lot of cinnamon and cardamom. And we take a lemon and squeeze it inside and we let it boil for a good hour until the pot that was full is just in half. After that, we put a little bit of honey or a little bit of sugar in there and then sip that. As we're sipping that, what it does is all the antioxidants from the cinnamon, cardamom, and black pepper get to go into our body. And it actually is really healing. It puts us to sleep, which is great. So it gives our body an opportunity to be able to fight off the bad buzz. Sometimes I find myself sweating a little bit while I'm sleeping as well. Again, it's a great way for our body just to flush out whatever's in our system. And it works like a charm. Till this day, I don't think I've ever taken Theraflu. Or I don't think I've actually tried any Western medicine because that's been a recipe that my mom's made for myself. And I love it.